Hey there, and welcome to MTH Health. Today, we're going to talk about a natural and super effective way to remove underarm hair sugaring. If you've ever struggled with waxing, shaving, or other methods that leave your skin irritated, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Plus, it's all natural, easy to do at home, and great even for thicker, coarser hair. Let's jump right into it. Sugaring, also known as sugar waxing, is a hair removal technique that's been around for centuries, originating all the way back in ancient Egypt. The magic of sugaring is in its simplicity. It's made from just 3 ingredients: sugar, lemon juice, and water. When heated and mixed, these turn into a sticky, pliable paste that removes hair right from the root. What's cool about sugaring is that it doesn't stick to your skin, only to the hair. That means it's less painful and way gentler on sensitive areas like your underarms. Let's talk about why sugaring is such a great option for underarms. First, it's gentle. Unlike traditional waxing, it doesn't rip at your skin. This makes it perfect for the sensitive underarm area. Second, it's all natural. No chemicals, no artificial ingredients, just sugar, lemon and water. Third, it works amazingly well on thick or coarse hair, which many of us have under our arms. And finally, with regular use, it actually slows down hair growth over time. Hair grows back finer, softer, and even less often. If you're looking for smooth, healthy skin, sugaring is definitely worth trying. So how does this actually work? Let me break it down for you. First, you clean the area really well. Removing sweat, oils, or deodorant makes a huge difference. Then, take your sugar paste and apply it against the direction of your hair growth. This lets the paste grip the hair all the way down to the root. Finally, flick or pull the paste off in the direction of the hair growth. This helps reduce pain and prevents ingrown hairs. The result? Smooth, hair-free skin without the irritation. The best part about sugaring is that you can make the sugar paste yourself at home. Here's how. Start with 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. Combine everything in a pot and heat it over medium heat, stirring constantly. Once the mixture turns golden brown and gets sticky, take it off the heat and let it cool. That's it. You've got your own homemade sugar paste. Store it in a jar and reheat it slightly before each use. To get the best experience with sugaring, here are some quick tips. Exfoliate the day before. Gently exfoliate your skin to remove dead cells. This helps the sugar paste stick to the hair better. Avoid lotions or oils. Make sure your skin is completely clean and dry before you start. Use small sections. Work on small areas at a time for better precision and less discomfort. Stretch the skin. Gently stretch your skin while removing the paste to reduce pain. Moisturize afterward. After sugaring, rinse with cool water and apply a light moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. So how does sugaring stack up against other hair removal methods? Let's compare. With shaving, hair grows back quickly, sometimes within a day or 2. Sugaring removes hair from the root, so it takes weeks to grow back. Waxing can burn or irritate your skin, but sugaring is applied at room temperature, so there's no risk of burns. Depilatory creams are packed with chemicals while sugaring is 100% natural. It's safe to say that sugaring is one of the best options out there for smooth, healthy skin. Before we wrap up, let's answer some common questions. Does sugaring hurt? It's definitely less painful than waxing because it doesn't pull on your skin. Most people describe it as a quick, tolerable tug. Is it safe for sensitive skin? Yes. The natural ingredients make it ideal for sensitive areas like underarms. How often should I sugar? For most people, every 3 to 4 weeks is ideal depending on how fast your hair grows. Sugaring is more than just a hair removal method. It's a self-care practice that leaves you feeling confident and refreshed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more natural beauty tips. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.